Hello, hello. Hello, students. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope each and every one of you is doing just fine and great too. Once more, Happy New Year to all of you as you all are ushered into 2022. I pray and wish each and every one of you good luck, presuming that this year is going to be a fantastic year. Once more, you are welcome to our today's lesson. In our today's lesson, we are going to be reviewing city and space. So this has been the topic we've been dwelling on. So let's review this lesson today. Okay, in the past, we talked about city and space. City means places, big towns that we live in, and space means those places that are found in the city, like the banks, the train stations, the airport, the police stations, the temple, museum, park, stadium, and all whatnot. So those are the various places that we have in our town, and we always visit them. Now, before we continue, let's listen to a song. Okay.
Song, yeah. There's a palace in my town and a shopping center. There's a university. There's lots to do and see. There are cafes and restaurants and a museum too. Let's go to the cinema. Welcome to my town. Let's go to the playground. Let's go to the library. Come and read a book with me. Let's go to the station and see the trains waiting. See the cathedral and all the happy people. 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 There's a hospital, a swimming pool, and a market every day. Let's go to the theater. Let's go and see a play. There's a bridge by the river and a park by the school. There's a police station and a football stadium. Welcome to my town. Go to the playground. Go to the library. Come and read a book with me. Let's go to the station. See the trains waiting. See the cathedral. All the happy people. All the happy people. All the happy people. All the happy people. All the happy people.
All right. All the happy people, welcome to my town. You can see the stadium, the cathedral, the shopping mall, swimming pool, and all that. So that was it. With that being said, let's proceed to save our time. Okay, so we are going to review this activity. Now you would read and choose the correct answer. Read and choose the correct answer. Okay, here we have space. Space is beautiful. You repeat after me. I like to look at the sky at night. I like to look at the sky at night. I can see many things. The moon is big and bright. I can see 3 planets. 2, Mars, Venus, and Jupiter. Sometimes I see a satellite, and sometimes I see the space station. I can always see lots of stars. Okay, so here let's answer the questions by doing the exercise, which says 1. He sees planets in the sky during the day at night. So which is correct? 2. He can see 2 or 3 planets. 3. Venus is a star planet. 4. He sometimes / always see the space station. 5. He sometimes or always see stars. Okay, so let's see which is correct. Try to do the activity and then I will show you the answer to know if your answers are correct or not. Okay, you pause the video and try to do the activity. After that, you check your answers. So let's see our answer for number 1 says, he sees planets in the sky during the day at night. According to our passage, it says that that I see satellite and sometimes I see the space station. I can always see lots of stars. He sees planet in the sky during the day and at night. So what time did he see the planet? I like to look at the sky at night. I can see many things. The moon is big. I can see 3 planets. So you see planet at night. So the answer is going to be at night, isn't it? That's good. And next, number 2 says, he sees planet in the sky during the day. I mean, he can see 2 or 3 planets. He can see 2 or 3 planets. So let's say what he says that he can see in the sky. He said, I can see 3 planets, 2, Mars, Venus, and Jupiter. So he can see 2, 3 planets. The answer is 3 planets. I can see 3 planets. That's our correct answer. I can see 3 planets. And here we go, 3 planets. Okay. And number 3, Venus is a star, a planet. So I can see 3 planets, 2, Mars, Venus, and Jupiter. So Venus is a planet, isn't it? Venus is a planet. So we have here Venus, that is a planet. Next, he says, he sometimes or always see the space. He sometimes or always see the space. All right, so here we are going to say, I can always see a lot of stars. I like to look at the sky. I can see many things. The moon is big and bright. I can see 3 planets. Sometimes I see satellite and sometimes I see the space station. So he sometimes or always see the space station. He sometimes or always see the space station. So which one is the right phrase? Sometimes see the space station, always see the space station. Which one is correct? Okay, so the right one is sometimes. Sometimes, sometimes. So that is the right answer, sometimes. Okay, all right. Number 5, he sometimes or always sees stars. He sometimes or always sees stars. So let's look at that. I can always see lots of stars. I can always see lot of stars. So we are going to have, what is the right answer? Always. Okay, so that is it for this exercise. Hope you followed it up. If not, replay it, pause, come back, and try to understand it properly. Okay. And then we move to our next slide. Here we are going to ask and answer about the city. Ask and answer about the city. So here we go. Where do you live? Repeat after me. Where do you live? Again, where do you live? Okay, so that is the question. Where do you live? All right. And here we have, I live in Pathum, Thani. I live in Bangkok. I live in, so you simply say where you live. Okay. The next question says, is there a shopping mall? Is there a swimming pool? Is there a stadium? Okay. Is there an airport? Is there a train station? So that is how you ask the question to know what is in the town. Okay. So, do you walk to school? Do you walk to school? So you said, yes, I walk to school. Or no, I don't walk to school. I go to school by car. I go to school by bus. I go to school by plane. I go to school by bicycle. Okay. And here we have, is it big or small? Is it big or small? Where do you live? I live in Bangkok or Pathum Thani. Is it big or small? It is a big city. It is a big city. Okay. And next we have, what do you like in your town? What do you like in your town? So what do you like? I like the shopping mall. I like the stadium. I like the museum. I like the temple. I like the airport. I like the cinema. Okay, so what do you like? These are the things that you like in your town. Okay. All right, so that is it. With that, you can practice this slide many times and understood what is all about. With that being said, we move to our next slide. Thank you. So here we are going to read and match. Read and match. So let's start here. Number one says, what? Look at the picture first. We look at the picture. You see this guy, his name is Roy Tim, I don't know. He is looking at the sky. He is looking at the sky. So, what can he see? What can he see from the sky? Number one, he said, what can you see in the sky? Can you see Mars? Can you see comets? Can you see an astronaut? Okay, so let's look at the answer option. A, no, I never see comets. B, no, I can't. C, I can see the moon and stars. D, yes, I sometimes see Mars. I sometimes see Mars. So let's try to match the questions and the answers. Number one says, what can you see in the sky? What can you see in the sky? Okay, so what is the answer? C, I can see the moon and the stars. I can see the moon and the stars. Okay, number two says, can you see Mars? No, I can't. Or yes, I sometimes see Mars. Can you see Mars? Yes, I sometimes see Mars. Okay. Number 3. Can you see comet? Can you see comet? No, I never see comet. No, I never see comet. Okay. No, I never see comet. Can you see comet? No, I never see comet. Okay, so let me just draw this to make it more clearer. Can you see an astronaut? No, I can't. Can you see an astronaut? No, I can't. No, I can't. Okay, so that is it for this slide. Let's go through it again one more time. Let's go through it one more time. What can you see in the sky? I can see the moon and stars. Can you see Mars? Yes, I sometimes see Mars. Can you see comet? No, I never see comets. Can you see an astronaut? No, I can't. So that is it. Perfect and brilliant. All right. Let's go to our next slide. Here, we are going to read and then complete a diagram. There are 2 diagrams. We'll read and complete them. Let's read. Listen and repeat after me. Earth, or the blue planet, is our home. It is about 150 million kilometers from the sun. It has got 1 moon. There are 365 days a year on Earth and 24 hours in a day. There are 4 seasons on Earth. 75% of Earth is covered with water. Humans and animals live on Earth. Mars, or the red planet, is smaller than Earth. It is about 228 million kilometers from the sun. It has got 2 moons. There are 686 days a year on Mars and 24 hours, 37 minutes in a day. Mars has got 4 seasons. There is no water in Mars. Okay, so that was it. Now, what do we do? What are we supposed to do? We are going to use this diagram to complete it. Now, complete the diagram. Earth, and Mars. So we're going to take facts and fill them here, just like this. One moon, Earth has one moon. Earth has 365 days a year. Earth has 24 hours a day. Earth is about 150 million kilometers from the sun, and water is 75% of the Earth. And we have 4 seasons, both 2 moons, 686 days, 24 hours and 37 minutes a day, about 228 million kilometers from the sun, no water. So this is the comparison that do exist between the Earth and Mars. Earth has 1 moon, Mars has 2 moons. Earth takes 365 days a year, Mars takes 686 days a year. Earth has 24 hours a day, Mars has 24 hours and 37 minutes a day. About 150 million kilometers from the sun, about 228 million kilometers from the sun. Water, 75%, water, 75%, no water. So in Mars, there is completely no water. Okay. Next. Here we are going to read about Catherine and try to answer some questions. So let's read together. Hi, Catherine. Here is a map of my town. You can see my house. It has a bus stop in front of it. I take the bus to school from there. My house is opposite the supermarket. There is a hospital in my town. It is next to the supermarket. There is a bank behind the supermarket and the hospital. There is no airport in my town. Tell me about your town, your friend Maria. So this is Catherine. This is Maria writing to Catherine, telling Catherine about her town. So now you are going to write your friend and tell them about your town. This is the map. We have bank, supermarket, hospital, my school, my house, and bus stop. So this is the map that Maria is writing Catherine to explain their town. Okay, so you can write your own about your own town using this format. Hi, Ken. Here is a map of my town. You can see my school. It's behind the supermarket. The supermarket is opposite the hospital. There is a police station. It's next to the park, and the park is opposite to the bank. Tell me about your own town, your friend Anne. So you can use this format to write your friend about your own town. We don't want to make this video short, long, so we are going to end this lesson here. Thank you guys very much. See you next week, and goodbye. I am Teacher Roy signing out for today. Okay.